In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Stripe. This step-by-step guide will help you update your email address in a straightforward and efficient manner. So, whether you're looking to switch to a new email account or you just want to keep your Stripe profile up to date, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Stripe homepage. If you're not already logged in, you may need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, your journey begins. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time or if it has been a while since your last visit. After reaching the homepage, direct your attention to your business profile. This area acts as the control center for your Stripe account, housing all the relevant information and settings pertaining to your business operations. Think of it as your dashboard command center where you can manage everything from finances to basic account settings. Next, click on Profile. This section is specifically dedicated to personal and account-specific settings, allowing you to view and edit information tied to your Stripe user account. Here, you'll encounter various options, but for the purpose of this tutorial, our focus is on updating the email address. Within the profile settings, you'll see an Edit option. This is your gateway to making changes. Clicking on Edit brings you to an interface where each of your details is open for modification. This is handy not only for email updates, but for any future adjustments you might need to make, like phone numbers or role changes. Now locate the email field. This area hosts your current email address. Clicking on it allows you to type in your new email address. Be cautious while doing this. Ensure the new email is typed correctly to avoid any access issues later on. It's always a good idea to double check for typos or errors. Once you've successfully entered your new email address, the last crucial step is to hit Save. This action confirms your changes and implements them within your Stripe account settings. Without saving, any changes are not applied, and you'll need to go through the process again. There you have it, a simple way to keep your account information current. A quick tip: after updating your email, check your new inbox for any confirmation messages from Stripe. This is a standard procedure to ensure security and verify the update. By following these steps, you can easily manage and update your Stripe account. Keeping your information up to date not only ensures the smooth functioning of your business transactions, but also enhances security across your online platforms. Thanks for watching, and now you can continue using Stripe with the confidence that all your details are current and correct.